Dear students, today I am going to start very important lesson. United Nation. United Nation is a global organization, and about United Nation, each and every citizen of the world should know this one, because this organization is working for the betterment of the world. Today, I would like to explain what was the need of the United Nations and what are the main causes that United Nations came to existence. Children, you know this one, कि after the bitter experience of the two world wars, within the span of 25 years, the world leaders realized the necessity for the establishing an organization more powerful than League of Nations. What do you mean by this one? First World War started in 1914, and Second World War started in 1939. And in both World War, many casualty taken place, many people were killed. And after that, what happened? Unemployment taken place, economic crisis came to existence, and many disasters came to existence. In that circumstances, world intellectuals were thinking that if another world war will be coming, so that will be very dangerous, because nowadays many countries having atom bombs, and you know this one, atom bombs are very destructive, because we are familiar about Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and today also the radiation going on in Japan. I think my words are very much understanding this one, because Hiroshima and Nagasaki, each and everybody is knowing. So that's why world intellectuals were thinking that if third world war will be occurred, then complete annihilation will be there. Complete annihilation means nothing will be remaining. No culture will be remaining. No civilization will be remaining. No mountain will be there. No rivers will be there. I mean, each and everything will be finished. So, it was very necessary to set up one international organization that will protect the war at each and every condition. Children, you know this one, if two countries existed and their boundary is there, so definitely some dispute will be coming. Like we can say like this one, in our family, many time two brothers are there or three brothers are there, so sometimes dispute will be coming. So dispute will be likewise in international affairs, dispute will be coming between two nations. So dispute will be sorted out by talking, by delegation, by negotiation. But if it will be sorted out by war, then both sides will face lot of damage, and both side casualty will be there. Then world intellectual realized that one international organization required, and finally their efforts finally took shape in San Francisco. On October 24, 1945, the form of the United Nations came to existence. One more reason is there about United Nations. I would like to explain here. When Second World War over, after that, world had been divided into hostile group. First group led by USA, America, and second group was led by Russia. USA had different ideology that is known as capitalism, and Russia had different ideology that is known as communist. Both wanted to dominate each other and both wanted to spread their ideology rest of the world. I think you know this one. Before 1991, Russia was known as USSR. I am talking about that Russia, not today Russia. Then what happened? World intellectuals observed that when world had been divided into hostile group, in my previous video I have shared, I have communicated you, I have taught you, then what will be happening? I have taught in First World War also and Second World War also. When world had been divided, triple entity and triple alliance I have taught you. So world had been divided into hostile group. After that what happened? Fear came to existence. Apprehension came to existence. International tension came to existence. And same situation occurred when Second World War started. Means when world had been divided into hostile group, so what was the result? World had seen two times, First World War and Second World War. World intellectuals had observed that when again this type of situation will be there, then again World War will be there. And I think you know, I think my words are knowing that after Second World War, one Cold War started between USA and USSR. What is Cold War? Cold War is a psychological war. That war will be not fought by gun and bullets, by mental war. Means Russia wanted to dominate USA and vice versa. And after that, what happened? World had been divided in again two hostile group. Again fear came to existence, apprehension came to existence, and international tension came to existence. In that circumstances, world intellectuals were very much tense. Why? Because now many countries had atom bomb, destructive weapons. So when now third world war will be occurred, so complete annihilation will be there. Means nothing will be remaining. So it was necessary to set up one international organization, and that organization came to existence on 24th October 1945. Here one fact is there that is very necessary to mention. In 1945, when the charter was ratified by 29 nations, including the 5 permanent members of the Security Council. Since then, October 24 is celebrated every year throughout the world as a United Nations Day. Here one word is there, charter. What do you mean by charter? You know this one. Each and every country will have one constitution. Likewise, United Nations will have one charter, means constitution. Charter is nothing but constitution of the United Nations. And United Nations will work according to the rules and regulation. And United Nations having many organs and agencies. And I'll teach organ and agencies later. Basically, United Nations came to existence for prevent further war and to create peace and security amongst the nation. You know this one? When more nations will be there, so definitely more problem will be there. And if those problems will be not sorted out by talking, by delegation, by negotiation, then this tension will be occurred as a international tension, and finally world war will be occurred. If those dispute will be sorted out by any international organization, so definitely war will be not there. I would like to mention, war can't be justified by any civilized society. If we'll open history, how many wars taken place? So wars are negative phenomena of humanity. always wars will kill humanity, and that will be dangerous for human civilization. So that's why intellectuals always prefer peace. With reference to our fundamental rights, I would like to mention that fundamental rights given by the constitution to each and every person. If warlike situation will be there, then all round development can't be possible. That's why world intellectuals were very worried about a global organization, and finally that global organization came to existence in 1945. Next day, I'll come along with one more video. In that one, I'll explain about the main objective of the United Nations in detail, and plus I'll explain about the main organs of the United Nations. One more point I would like to mention here. I have taught you in San Francisco conference there were 4 permanent members of Security Council. I'll teach later, but here only one line definition I would like to explain here. How many countries are there who are permanent member? First one, UK. UK means England. Second one, France. Third one, USA. And fourth one, USSR. And fifth one, China. If you are mentioning their name, not sequence wise, no issue, but all 5 names you should remember. Here one tips I would like to tell you. Why they got permanent seat in United Nations Security Council? Because I have taught you, when world had in Second World War, world had been divided in 2 hostile group. So first group was known as Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis or Axis power, and second group was known as Allied power. So in Axis power, Rome, Berlin, Tokyo, I think you are remember, I have taught in previous videos. Rome was the capital of Italy, so Italy one country, and Berlin was the capital of Germany, this is second country, and third one, Tokyo was the capital of Japan. So 3 countries, powerful countries, were one side. And next group, Allied power, I think my words are very much familiar. England was there, UK was there, England means UK. Second one, USA was there, and third one, France was there, and Russia was there, and China was there. So they were winning country. That's why they have got permanent seat in UN Security Council. Dear children, now I am going to conclude my lecture, and next day I'll come along with a new video. Thank you.